we are going to talk about the Pythagoras theorem. It says a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So now it works on a right angle triangle. As you can see, we have a right angle triangle. We have a, b, and c. So what's so important about c? C is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So how do we find the hypotenuse of a triangle? The hypotenuse of a triangle is the side opposite to the right angle. So in this case, here's our right angle and C is the side opposite. Or some people do it this way. We put a line from here, going like this, leaving us with an arrow pointing towards the opposite side of our right angle. And that's our hypotenuse, which is C. That's why we have C squared on this side. And then we have the legs, which is the adjacent side of the right angle, A, and then the other adjacent side, B, on this side, giving us A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So now let's look at an example. From the diagram, find the value of x. So as you can see, we have a right angled triangle and we are asked to find the value of x. So since this is a right angled triangle, we know we can use the Pythagoras theorem. First thing we need to do, so we write down the formula for the Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we need to find our c, which is our hypotenuse. So we draw our line from this corner of the right angle, and then it gives us an arrow pointing towards our hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse in this case is x, this side x. So we know our c is x squared. Then we have equal to. So then we have this side, which is 3, and then this side, which is 4. Those are our adjacent sides. Then we can have a as 3 squared plus 4 squared. So now we have our equation in terms of x using the Pythagoras formula, which is 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to x squared. So now we need to solve for x as the question said. So first things first, 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared is 16 is equal to x squared. Now 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 is equal to x squared. So now we need to solve for x and not x squared. So what we do is we take the square roots of both sides. So the square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. But since this is the length of a triangle, it can never be a negative. So we know it's only going to be positive 5, which is equal to taking the square root. It's going to cancel out the square. We are left with x.